The truth is within. We unlock codes that either connect us to data streams or they're unlocking DNA memory. Sometimes it's hard for me to tell which is happening. Kind of feels like both. Feels like I have cell memory from ancestors that's within me. And I also feel like I get streams of knowledge or energy flow. Could be a little bit of both happening. But I don't think people really want to know the truth. When the truth starts to peek out, or they get glimpses of the truth, they push that spark of light back down in themselves, and they'd rather play the role of what they were brought up to be. They like the drama more, apparently, or maybe they just don't understand the truth, so they go back to their drama life because they understand that better. Even though the repeating loops is comfortable. And this is probably why people don't change unless there's a big event or a soul crushing event that happens to them, where they go to their knees and they pray to God, or they ask for something outside of themselves for help. It isn't until that point that most people reach the breaking point and experience a new realm. If you're comfortable your whole life in your loops and your little stories and the lies you've been told, and you're comfortable there, you'll never know the truth. And I am convinced everybody already knows the truth. They just don't want to admit it. They don't want to see it. They don't want to change. They're comfortable. Don't stir it up. That's what I hear. So those who hear will hear. It's nature's way of keeping the riffraff out. You must change within, or you don't come in.